everyone, this is Kiki from Dongguan Yinuo. We are the direct factory that can help you custom and manufacturing different types of zippers, including metal zippers, nylon zippers, and resin zippers. Here, please have a look and guess what types of zippers are they? Maybe you'll say they are metal zippers. And no, they are our new products. They are resin zippers. We all know that the metal zippers are beautiful and looks very luxury, but the price is also a little bit higher than other types of zippers. So today, we have these zippers for you, which is also beautiful and looks like the metal zipper, but cheaper. Yeah, they are resin zippers. So you can custom the size, the length, the color, and also the size. If you are interested, please contact us.